Hello aspiring web developers, W3Schools is a fantastic resource for learning HTML and I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's dive in. Open your web browser and go to the www.w3schools.com. In the main menu, hover over the Learn tab and select HTML from the drop-down menu, and this will take you to the HTML tutorial page. W3Schools provides a comprehensive HTML tutorial that covers everything from the basics to advanced topics. Start by familiarizing yourself with the fundamental concepts such as HTML elements, attributes, and syntax. One of the best features of W3Schools is its extensive collection of examples. As you work through the tutorial, be sure to examine the code examples provided. Experiment with modifying the code and see how it affects the output. W3Schools offers an interactive try-it-yourself editor alongside each code example. Take advantage of this feature. In addition to the HTML tutorial, W3Schools offers references, quizzes, and exercises to further enhance your understanding. Take your time to explore these resources and deepen your knowledge of HTML. Consistently practice is key to mastering HTML. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions while learning HTML on W3Schools, don't hesitate to seek help. W3Schools provides a community forum where you can ask questions and get assistance from other learners and experts. And that's it. By following these steps and utilizing the resources available in W3Schools, you'll be well on your way to becoming proficient in HTML. Happy coding! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.